Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to your Venmo, and on the bottom right hand side corner you can tap on the settings icon. And once you click on the settings icon, what you have to do is click on payment method and then click on add bank account. And here what you have to do is click on the bank. So here, once you do that, just click on next. So we need to verify our Cash App bank. So here we have to do the manual verification. So click on the manual verification, and once you do that, you have to link your bank account and you have to enter this information. What you have to do is open your Cash App, and once you do that, click on bottom left corner and then click on direct deposit. And once you do that, you'll get all this information. What you have to do is copy them and paste it over here. So here, do that once again, and once you do that, what you have to do is click on save and continue, and then it will take 2 or 3 days to make the verification. So after 3 to 4 days, what you have to do is go to your Cash App account and then click on the bottom right corner, and here you can see there are various deposits from Venmo. Go to your Venmo application and click on the settings icon once again. Then click on payment method, and here you can see the Cash App bank account is shown as student bank account. So to verify it, what you have to do is just click on it and click on verify, and then enter the amount that was deposited and withdrawn in your Cash App. And once you do that, the unverified option is removed. And once you do that, what you have to do is go back to Venmo and then click on manage balance and then click on transfer to bank. Once you do that, you have two options. So here you have to enter your amount that you want to transfer to your Cash App. Then you can change the bank as well, but since this is a Cash App, you can just click on student bank, and then here you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then it will transfer to your Cash App. So that's it. That is how you will be able to transfer from your Venmo to Cash App. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.